Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Today is Thursday, April the 13th. I know I was making a video yesterday, but my husband, he went to the pool. I just put some lotion on because my hand gets so dry. My husband, he went to the mailbox. We have a community mailbox. So he said, "Oh, you bought yarn." I said, "No, I didn't buy it." So it arrived. I purchased this in March the 4th, so it's been 5 weeks. I gave up. I was trying to message, well, I haven't attempted yet, but I was going to attempt to ask for a refund. I did buy from this seller before. It did arrive less than 4 weeks, so I assumed it was going to be the same, but unfortunately, this one took 5 weeks. So wait, if you're buying anything from Aliexpress, wait. So this is my second attempt. The thing is, the funny part is, if you buy one yarn, it's $6, $5.92, and then if you buy a second, automatically it charges you shipping fee. So what I did is I bought different colors, then it doesn't charge you shipping fee. Isn't it odd? So I paid $30 everything for the yarn. I did not pay custom fee. I'm so happy when I don't pay custom fee. Oh my goodness, I don't know why. Okay, tax is 5%, but when the custom fee, it depends on, I guess, the customs mood. Sometimes they charge you $20, sometimes Canada Post delivered this, so sometimes they charge you $15, sometimes they charge you $40, sometimes they charge you $100. So it's like a surprise thing. So that's the reason I'm always hesitate to buy. Anyways, let's open this. I don't want to keep on going and going. I will put the link. The thing is, they don't give you a tracking number. That's the thing, right? And I was told that they don't get, sorry about the sound, they don't get paid until they receive the package. So that's another, until the customer receives the package and lets them know. So I am going to take pictures and I will let them know that the yarn arrived so they can get their money, right? Okay, so I am just cutting. I don't want to cut any yarn. I bought burgundy. Burgundy. Oh, yeah. The reason I keep on going to the seller because they send me gifts. Last time, they sent me a crochet hook. This crochet hook that I received, it's a number 2.5. It's a little bit tough to crochet because I'm used to tulip. So what I'll do this, I will give this on a yarn giveaway. And okay, here's another crochet hook that they send this time. So this is a 3. So this would be nice, you know. I will put these in with the yarn, and I will see if I have any other crochet hooks that I need, you know, different numbers. I will add for crocheters. Okay, and then they put in. They put in markers, and they're not good quality though. They break easily, these ones. So I don't know. We'll see. I might add these to the collection as well. Okay, and it's 4:34 p.m. today. I came early. I didn't want to come late because I noticed, if you can see, it's showing fantastic. Like, it's nice and bright. I didn't use any light. It's just the light from the window. But when I took it at night, after 9 p.m., it was pretty dark. Yeah, I didn't like the quality of the video. So that's why I'm taping it early. I better not turn around. Every time I turn around, move around, I see that it gets dark. Yeah, so let's start. I opened the bag. Okay, so I will put the markers as well. So I did buy this yarn before, this color. So I'm planning to make either gloves or a hat. You need 200 grams. So these are 50 gram each. That's all I can read. They're so I believe this is Angora rabbit, and it's mixed with some other fiber. 55 maybe Angora rabbit, and the rest is acrylic. Maybe 15% acrylic and 45% wool, or the opposite. Yeah, so that's the reason I went back. But this time I said to myself, let me try other colors. Here's another color. Oh, it totally looks blue, but it's actually like a aqua color. The camera. Oh, here's a stitch marker stuck there. Let me. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll add those markers to the giveaway, and the crochet hook. I will add different numbers. Yeah, different. These are, you need to knit this with 2-ply, and they always add a helper to this yarn. It's really hard to catches up the beautiful yarn. The colors are like fantastic, but for some reason it did not catch this color. This color is the same as what you see, but this one is different. Yeah, it looks more blue in the video. So they always add these helpers, and their elasticity. So I think socks would be fantastic with these. I haven't knit socks yet. Just thinking. I did knit with my Angora rabbit hand spun for a customer, and I added I did it with 2-ply. Okay, what else? So I bought burgundy. I think I have this in my stash already. I need to check it out, because I don't want to go back to, because it takes, and the sellers they don't message you. You know what I mean? They're not helping, because probably the English barrier reason. The English, yeah. It has this raccoon on it, and it says it's mink yarn, but it feels like Angora rabbit, because I knit with Angora rabbit. That's the thing. Yeah, I bet these are Angora rabbit or some sort. Yeah, because I did knit with dog hair, and it's not same as Angora rabbit at all. You know, it's more tough. It's more. And I bought. Oh yeah, perfect color. You can see the exact color. It's like a brownish burgundy. I wanted to try and see this color. So like I said, I'm planning to make mittens or socks. I thought the time it arrived I can start on them, but I end up starting other stuff, and I want to finish them before the live stream. So we'll go from there. And I already bought this color, so it's going to be 100. Oh, they also send a needle. Isn't this nice? This is nice. Light, very light. I think this is fantastic. Yeah, I'm just, I don't want to note, I just wanted to empty if there's some different things in there, because it's on the bottom. Yeah, and then these bobbins, these small bobbins. So I bought six colors. Yeah. The 5 colors. What am I saying? I have 5. Oh my goodness. 5 fingers. Yeah. I'm not going to do a sample because I already did a sample and it's over there. It's waiting for me to knit the mittens, the gloves, mittens. I still have the shingles, if ever anyone's wondering. Yeah, can you see? Not on this side of my body, but I notice, especially my underarm, I feel that it's going to pop, but it's not popping, the shingles. I'm praying that it won't, because it's a terrible, terrible pain. And yeah, this one hurts a lot. And I have one just underneath. And yeah. They haven't gone yet. They're still there, and sometimes it just burns and it just kills me, the pain. I'm not taking any medication because I took so much, and I had to put a stop to that. Yeah, so I just wanted to say hello again and show you my unboxing. Yeah, these are, it feels like 80% Angora rabbit. The yarn that I buy from Italy, it's 80% Angora rabbit. I did get a message from Star from New York. I've been buying yarn from her for years, but the last batch that I bought from her, it wasn't the same quality. It felt like the 80% Angora rabbit. So she messaged me and she said they're not going to be selling any more Angora rabbit yarn, which I was buying from her 100%. And I thought they were coming from France because that's where the yarn is made in. But she said in her message, she said that they were picking Angora rabbit all over the USA, and then they were taking it to the mills and selling it to the customers. And I thought, oh, that's really weird. That's the reason I was buying. But her last batch, I didn't like it. It was like this, 80% Angora rabbit. And my customers want fluffy when I knit them up. So with the 80%, I don't get that good qualities. And so she said that she has other yarns, other fibers, but I would prefer it buy it from Canada because I don't want to pay custom fee. Every time I buy from her, I pay $100 and over custom fee because she used to send it with UPS, and I asked her to send it with regular Canada Post. Even with Canada Post, I ended up paying $100 custom fee, unfortunately. Well, the yarn I was buying from her was a lot. Yeah, and I already knitted up the yarn that I bought from her, but I do have some color yarns that I bought from her, and I think I'm going to hoard them because I can't find them anywhere. There's another brand, and Bait, but they're very expensive. Yeah, and she's in, where was she? Was she in New York? I can't, Texas. I think she was in Texas. Anyway, she was in the USA. Again, you have to buy so much, and then you have to pay custom fee. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm cooking, and I had stuff in the oven. My nose is so sensitive, I can smell that it's ready. I looked at the time. Yes, it's been in the oven for 45 minutes, so I went and took it off. I don't want to burn it. Yeah, I do cook, I do bake, I do clean, I do videos. My nose, every time I do a video, my nose starts itching. Yeah, I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a maker, and it's endless. I do cleaning. The older you get, it's really hard to manage. I noticed that. I've been complaining lately, and it's not easy. I'm just thinking, how did my grandmothers do? One lived till 90. She was 93. The other one, my mother's mother, lived till 82, and she was by herself in her huge house. Yeah, unfortunately. And yeah, so I will let you guys go. I hope you like this unboxing. I'm gonna put them in a container and get them ready. I did buy other stuff, when they arrive. I will do the unboxing. It's really fun to look at other people. I'm not buying as much as I bought in the 2020, yeah, 2021. Yeah, those 2 years I went crazy. I don't know why. 2, 4. Oh, the one that fell. The dark brown fell. It's just right here. Oh, I can't reach it. It's way down. So, yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. Every time I post a video, you will be notified. It's so confusing to where to look, but I think we need to look at that little light there, and yeah, I would like to look at myself other than looking at a little dot, but I think that's what we're supposed to do. Yeah, you guys take care. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye-bye. I forgot to... This is not working.